Good morning, traders. The news has come out. You can see this big huge line here that represents right when the news came out, and I am going to take a trade. I'm going to take the trade called out within my charting service about almost 10 hours ago, and might take two of them. It just depends. But I did call out two trades, but it just depends if they both go the same direction. Then I don't need to take both of them. But if they go the opposite directions, I can take two trades. But anyway, so at least one trade today I'll get, and I will come back shortly after I take it. Okay, I've taken a long position here. It's going to be a real tight stop. Let me set it. Well, I thought it was going to be a real tight stop. It's not going to be. The stop is 11 ticks here. Looks like I might have it wrong. Okay, I'll take another entry again if it hits the stop. Okay, I've got a short position here, and I'm going to set the stop. I'll be right back. I've got the stop set to 40. You know, on the chart, it doesn't look like, in a 1 minute chart, 10-minute chart, it doesn't look like it's moving very much, but the thing sure is moving a lot. As far as like range-wise, making the stops a lot larger than normal. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, it's moving down here. Should be able to hit the 40 ticks pretty easily. I might adjust it for more than that. I might go for like about 50, maybe 60 ticks on this one. I'll come back. Okay, right now I have it adjusted to 50 ticks, down here to 66. It's moving real good, and it should be able to make the 50 ticks. And then I'm going to call it a day. Again, let's see here. Let me take a look at something. Okay, I've just had to take a long position here. The trade, the second trade that I called out within my charting service, using the breakout technique, it has just shown itself to be a long position here, so I had to reverse and close the previous position that I was short, and I am now long. I'm gonna take this trade up to, I think I can get 50, 60 ticks off of this trade, so I'm gonna go for that. I'll be right back. I'm gonna adjust the exit. Okay, I've got it for a 50 tick exit. I think I can hit that pretty easily. It's right up here at 73 is the exit. I should be able to hit that. Normally I'd just be going for 40, but I'm like 20 ticks down right now, so if I hit the 50, I'm going to be 30 ticks up for the day, but I'm going to call it a day at that point. So anyway, a little bit tricky out there. The first call that I made really didn't work, but the second call that I made in my charting service, this one, I also said this is the safest call. This call here is working so far and should work and should be a good trade on this one. And when you see me make the 50 ticks, or you know, it should go at least 40 ticks, then it will be a successful call. But it should be successful, no problem at all. Anyway, I will be back to show you the progression and or at least the outcome of this trade. Oh, by the way, the stop unfortunately is a fairly large stop. It's a 40 tick stop. I know that sounds crazy, but I had to place it there according to the code, and but all that matters is that it won't get hit and that it will be a successful trade. Now I'm pushing it a little bit by going for 50. If I went for 40, the math would increase, but I think that I should be able to hit the 50, so I'm going to go for it. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, it is moving up here. Just needs to go up here to 73. That's my 50 tick exit, and I'm going to call it a day after that. It's late here. I'm not sure exactly what time it is. I think it's like 10 o'clock or 10:30 or something like that. So anyway, I'll come back probably when it's reached the exit, and I'll come back and show it to you. But for you charting members out there, I used the breakout technique on the second call. And I was already in short, but I had to reverse the position because the second call showed through the breakout technique that it was going to go long. So anyway, I'll come back. Okay, it's almost to the exit here. Okay, I've got to get going here. It's pretty late here. It's like 11 o'clock. What I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the exit down here to like 65 and see if I can get out here at 65. It might start reversing here on me. And yeah, there seems to be possibly reversing. Anyway, I've got it at 65. Let's see if it'll get me out at 65 right here. And I'll just take it right there. Otherwise, if it starts coming down, I'm going to have to bail out of this trade. I'll be back. Okay, I've got the exit adjusted at 63 now. Just trying to get out here. If it pops back up here real quick, should be able to get me out. Okay, I have just manually exited the trade there. I got out somewhere around 57, 58, something like that. I'm all done for the day. I need to go. It's like 10 o'clock at night here. Wait a second. It is almost 11 o'clock at night. So I am all done for the day. I need to go, and I will be back tomorrow to do the charting service. Well, on Thursday, it's called Thursday. I'll be back on Thursday to do the charting service, predict the trade for Thursday to come, and I will be taking the trade on Thursday again. Didn't do too good today. Only came up like what, it's like 14 ticks or something like that. Lost a couple of trades going the wrong direction, and wasn't an easy day today. So anyway, I am out, all done for the day. I'll be back tomorrow. Hope you traders out there are doing well and are learning, especially you charting members. I hope you did better than me. If you would have taken the second trade as I recommended, you should have done better than me. Shouldn't have lost at all like I did, and you should have nailed the trade using the breakout technique. Pretty easy to do. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, traders.